Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be opening my above ground pool for summer. It's been over 5 months and I don't know what kind of surprise is waiting for me under the cover. But since it is under a big tree, I'm expecting very green pool water. So I don't think that shocking my pool will be sufficient to clean my water. So probably I will drain the entire pool and add a clean water. But after draining, probably the most of the pool walls are covered with algae, green algae. I will use my pressure washer to clean the entire pool wall, and then I'm going to add new water, fresh water. Let's start with cleaning at the top of the cover and removing the cover. As you see, the pool water is not too bad. It's not too green at all. But the bottom of the pool and the walls must be cleaned. I have two options. I can either just clean the debris and then brush the bottom, and then I can shock the water, shock the pool, and then see if it's gonna work. Or I can directly drain it and just clean it, then add fresh water. It's a lot of water. So I wanna take my shot to just clean up first and shock it and then see if it is gonna work. If it will not work, then I'll try my second way. Let's start cleaning the debris and brushing the floors and the wall. I have been trying to clean up the debris. It is very difficult and then I don't think that it's gonna work. So I'm going to just go ahead and start draining my water pool and add some fresh water. Okay, I'm going to use this attachment to drain the water.